Fantabulous day today. I had told you to sell gold below 1670 and see what we had achieved, 1641 levels. If you recall, 1641 is the number I told you earlier in the day that is the next resistance level. Likewise, US 30 below 30,000 levels, I told you it will achieve 3750 and beyond that we may see further drop. Likewise, US 100 too has dropped significantly. I hope you all had made bumper profits today. Now, what is going to happen with the US cash session? Whether to buy, whether to sell, and at what levels we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. And do press the bell icon. The next weekly updates will be up tomorrow. At the same time, the daily updates with the Asia session is also there. It will be released early in the day on Monday. This is the second video for the day. Now let's start. First we look into gold, followed with the Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. See, these are the hourly charts and clear cut it has shown a breakout. I told you very specifically today earlier in the day, go short or sell below 6070 and specifically below 1660 levels. It is going to give you a very strong drop, and precisely it has achieved 1640 levels. Now see, it has created a base out there and it is trying to bounce back, double bottom on the hourly charts, and it is trying to rise. At the same time, one must not forget that it is giving you higher lows, higher highs. Once it breaks down again below 1645, you can again expect a little drop, but then you have to be very cautious. Till 1640 levels, only below 1640 we may see a further sharper drop. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is extremely bearish here. It may start to converge a little, and RSI is trading at bottom. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, a breakout and then two sharp red candles. It is trying to reverse. We may see a retracement candle here, but still do not buy anything till it is below 1670. Every opportunity or every rise is an opportunity to sell, I must say that. Also, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence it may try to come back within the Bollinger Bands. Possibly it may try to achieve 1655, 1660 levels again. Directional movement so far is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is trading extremely bearish. But see the candle size, this is just the third candle, but see the candle size here, and possibly this is the high. From here it may start to converge and hence you can expect a little greener candles. RSI trading near to bottom. At the same time on the 3-hour charts, it has achieved the lows there. Look at this. It is a fall out there. You can see clearly, and then this has appeared. Anything till the time it's below 1670, every rise is an opportunity to short, but at the same time be cautious as it may try to conclude itself between this zone, that is 1655 to 1665. It may end the day and the week around this zone. Possibility exists. Only sell entry is below this zone at 1640. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has just crossed over and it is divergent and bearish on the 3-hour charts. Remember, on the 3-hour charts, it is still potential for it to drop further. RSI is trading near to bottom. It is trying to bounce. Now look at the 4-hour charts. After this consolidation, it has given a sharp red candle. This is first red candle, and every possibility exists that it may give you second follow-up red candle. But remember, since it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, this candle, that is precisely this candle, may try to give it a swing such that it achieves the lows and it tries to bounce back, in fact till 1665, and on the downside till 1635-30 levels. It can try to swing it in between these levels and try to close somewhere here such that the width of the Bollinger Bands increase with the end of this candle, and then possibly next candle might try to take it further down. Directional movement is bearish on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. This is just the second red candle. We can see third or fourth red candle there. RSI is trading near to bottom, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. See, it is trying to break out of this zone. It is clearly given a breakout, but remember, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, getting the support there. Possibility exists that it may get a support, very strong support at 1641. Below that we may see 1635 and 1630 levels are also possible. In fact, below that is also possible. See, if you look at this candle, 1700 to 16 60 levels, $40 of move. And if you look at this candle, almost 1670, 74 levels to 1634, 30 levels. So possibility exists that it may give you similar size of candle. That means it may try to take it till towards 1630, 34 levels. Possibility exists. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a high, now looking downwards on the daily charts. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and stock RSI again looking downwards. So yes, you can sell at 1645, but be cautious. And yes, there is a press conference from Chairman Powell which may further give little volatility to gold. On the upside, be watchful of 1665. Yes, you can buy there at 1665, but remember 1670 is the next resistance, very strong. 1674 is the next strongest resistance, and if it trades above 1674, you can expect it to fly high for 1678, 1681, 1690 levels. So buy above 1665 levels. On the downside, you can sell at 1645, but remember it has got very strong support till 1640 levels. Below 1640, we may see a very strong drop which might take it till towards 1634, 1630 levels, and beyond that are also possible. Trade with caution, take your trades with caution, with a strict stop loss, and always shift your stop loss to cost or entry price. Once you see that your trade is in $2 profit and you have seen a $2 movement, please shift your stop loss to your cost or entry price. Let the trade get closed, because these are volatile markets. First target is to preserve capital. Next target is to get the benefit out of the moves out there, and hence you should try to put trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss means the stop loss trails with the movement in your trade in the direction of the trade itself. So trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, the strategy and methodology on how to identify a right trade at the right time and where the exit should be, if you know these things, definitely you can become a profitable trader. Join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is going to get started on 3rd of October. Be a part of it. Do not miss an opportunity. Just few seats are left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Nasdaq 100 on the early charts, clear cut 11450 is the resistance, and this zone between 11450 to 500 is a stronger resistance zone. Only and only if it trades above 11450, I'll recommend you to take a buy position. But at the same time, 11470, 500 are the next resistance zone. If it surpasses 11500, you can expect little more bullishness there. Look at the early charts, it is shown lower lows and it is trying to reverse. From here, if it trades past this zone at 11320, you can sell there again. Possibly below 11300, definitely we can see a stronger drop. See, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it is getting a pullback again on the upside. Directional movement is bearish. See, possibly on the early charts, it may try to give you little greener candles, retrace early, retrace till towards 11450, 11500 levels, and then drop from there is possible. Only bullishness is seen, only reversal confirmation is seen if it trades above 11550 levels. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold here. On the 2-hour charts, see this fact. Now I always say, whenever you see such a pattern, remember on the downside is wide open, and hence once it draws below 11300, you can expect another 100 points of move. You can expect, rather I'll say 11320. If it breaks, you can expect 11300 280 as the first support, and below that you can expect it to drop till towards 11228, 11200 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is oversold on the 2-hour charts. Look at the 3-hour charts. Also remember, see, this is the retracement or consolidation zone. After this, a breakout candle, then you can say doji or consolidation candle. Lower lows are done, and then it has given a sharp drop. This is also giving you a sharper fall. Yes, there is a possibility for it to retrace till towards 11450. That is going to be a stronger resistance only and only if it trades above 11450. I will recommend you to buy. Else, till the time it trades below 11450, I will not recommend you anything. Remember, till 11450 to 500, yes, it has got a stronger resistance, and only if it trades above 11500, you can expect further bullishness. Also remember, if it draws below 11,320, expect another round of good fall, which will be of almost 100 to 120 points. That is, it might take it till towards 11,200 levels. Possibility exists. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see, this fall is done possibly, and if it tries to reverse, it may get a very strong resistance at 11,450, 470 levels, and only bullish consideration is if it trades above 11,500. Yes, you can buy again for 11,600 and plus levels. See, it is trying to trade within this channel, and the highs of this channel are precisely now situated at around 11,480, 500 levels. So only bullishness is above 11,500 and bearishness below 11,300 can be seen. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is oversold, indicating that there is little room for it to drop further. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, look at this move, 11,840 to 11,580, almost 260 points of move. And if you count the same from here, almost from 11,500 levels, if you count this, yes, it may try to achieve 11,250 levels, and in fact can achieve 11,200. That is the next possibility which it is looking forward to. And any move below above 11,500 will try to take it till towards 11,550, 600, and in fact till the time it trades below 11,700, it can give you very good swing. So till 11,700, every opportunity of rise is a good opportunity to. Directional movement on the daily charts is bearish, stochastic oversold, the MACD is bearish and RSI is entering into oversold zone. Considering this, yes, you can sell here at 11,320, expect 11,300 to 80, and then 11,240, 200 levels to get achieved. Very strong support at 11,200. The next target, also remember, I have told several times, 11,400 is a stronger support level. It has breached the 11,400 level this time, now trading bearish. So yes, possibility of rise, you can buy here at 11,450, 5 levels, and above that you can expect 11,480, 11,500 as the very strong resistance zone. Beyond that, 11,540, 550 as the next resistance zone, and if it breaks past this, definitely you can see 11,600, 11,700 levels. 11,700 is the next resistance. Only and only if it trades beyond 11,700 we can see it flying, else it can reverse again any point of time, achieving 11,700, closing the short orders. It can reverse any point of time, so be cautious. Also be cautious of 11,240, 200 zone. Achieving these levels, it can bounce back again. So large trading zone between 11,700 to 240, 200 levels exists, 500 points, but a no trade zone is only between 11,320 to 11,450, and on the upside and downside you can take your trades, but remember, you have to trail the stop loss. You have to immediately, just in the 20 to 40 points of move, you have to shift your stop loss to your entry price or cost. Then only you will be able to safeguard your profits there or safeguard your capital. Hence, trade accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US 30 on the early charts almost trying to form a bottom out there, and possibly from here it can bounce back a little. See, it has seen higher highs and it is trying to reverse from there. Yes, if it breaks past 29,650, you can again expect another round of drop, which might take it till towards 11,550 and 11,500, 29,550 and 29,500 levels. Sorry. And then on the upside, if it trades above 29,750, yes, you can buy here again and expect it to rise for 29,800. See the resistance zone there at around these levels at 29,850. Only bullishness today is if it trades above 30,050 levels. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold. Almost every other indicator on the every other time frame is oversold. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see, it has formed a curve out there, and see, we have seen consistently increasing candle. If it breaks below 29,600, you can expect another round of good fall, which might take it till towards 29,550, 500, the next support, and then 29,400 levels will come into picture. 29,410 should be a good support there. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is oversold here. And if you look at the 3-hour, now look at the 3-hour charts, a breakout here. I have told you, I drew this earlier in the day for you. See, this is the breakout, and after this a consolidation candle, and then this sharp red candle. Even if it tries to retrace 29,900, may provide a retail resistance, and then 30,000, 30,050 levels should come into picture. Beyond that, it may try to fly for 3150, 3200 levels. Yes, you can sell here at 29,650, and below that you can expect another good red candle, which might be of 200 to 300 points. In fact, it might try to take it till towards 29,400 and below levels. Possibility exists. The directional movement is bearish on the 3-hour charts. The stochastic is extremely oversold. It can try to bounce back a little. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is oversold. On the 3-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it appears it is completed with this move, and once it drops below 29,600, yes, there could be another round of good drop which might take it till towards 29,500, 29,400 and below levels. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is extremely oversold. We may see a bounce back. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts and look at the candle size here. 3,750 to 30,000 levels, almost 750 points. And if you consider 3,150 to 3,400 possibility, 29,400 possibility exists that it can try to achieve 29,400, 450 levels and bounce back from there. There is a very strong possibility for it to bounce back and again drop. So it is going to give you a very good swing, but you have to trade with caution there. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic extremely oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold, indicating that possibly it can try to give you a good swing, but anyways it is bearish, and every rise till towards 30,000, 30,150. In fact, remember this fact, yes, it can try to bounce back or swing, give you a good swing till towards 3,200, 250, but then again from there a drop is possible. Do trade with caution. Yes, you can buy there at around 3800, 29,750 levels, and above 29,750 you can expect it to rise for 29,820, 29,880, 29,950, 30,000. Till 30,000 it has got very strong support, and yes, you have to put a trailing stop loss such that in case of in event of a reversal, it can or it closes automatically and your capital is preserved and your profits remain preserved, and hence you can put a 40 points trailing stop loss, or else if you don't know how to put a trailing stop loss, you can just put a stop loss to cost. So trade accordingly. On the downside, yes, you can go short or sell there at 29,600 levels. Rather, in fact, you can sell at 29,650, expect 29,600, 550, 500 and then 29,400 as a very strong support. 29,400 is going to be the next strongest support. So trade accordingly, trade with the trailing stop loss. For the day, the trading range could be as vast as 29,350, 400 levels to 30,100, 200 zone. It can give you very strong swing. On the upside, you can always remain short or go short till towards 3,200 to 50 levels. You can try to sell there at a high, or you can try to buy there at a low at around 29,350, 400 levels. See, bottom is far away. Yes, 29,350, 400 may provide a strong support for the day. You can take your positions accordingly. So trade with caution, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.